If you're a small YouTuber posting videos every day and getting no views, no subscribers, and low consistent growth, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to be showing you simple step-by-step YouTube growth strategy that can take you from a struggling small YouTube channel into a thriving channel. No shortcut, no fake hacks, just what actually works. Watch to the end because the last step is a live, in fact, a channel changing. Okay, so watch to the end. And this is your one and only Empress Ife in the building. If you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and like all my videos, and also leave a positive comment in the comment section. Okay, so now I have the points here, so I'm just going to read it out loud for everyone to learn. Okay, so the hard truth as to why most small YouTubers don't grow. So one will ask, why is my channel not growing at all? The reason most small YouTubers don't grow is not because their content is bad, but it is because they don't have a system. You need to have a system for your channel to grow and to thrive and to stay long as well. So now they post randomly. Yes, people post randomly and they don't get views. For example, small YouTubers, they can post randomly, they can post every day, but they won't actually get views, they won't actually get subscribers. And if you follow these strategies of mine, you're gonna hit subscriber, you're gonna get audience, a lot of audience. So stay with me and let's continue. They change niche, people change niche, they copy big YouTubers, and then they get discouraged. It is very easy to get discouraged here on this platform. It is super like it's easy. Okay, when you post randomly and you're not getting audience, you're not getting the subscribers, you're not getting the views, like you get discouraged. It's something that is normal. It is something that is normal. And people go ahead to change niche upon niche upon niche upon niche upon niche on their videos. Grow on YouTube is not about luck. It's about structure. So for the next 30 days, you need to strategize, you need to plan. Okay, let me just say for the next 30 days, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. And you will see that if you plan for that 30 days, you will see changes. That one, just give yourself 30 days and give yourself that plan, that strategy. You will see your channel, it will improve. So that 30 days that you've given to yourself, or you are giving to yourself, just say, okay, I'm just posting keke. I'm not posting just because I want to go viral. Let me just post between day 1 to day 30. Just give yourself day 1 to day 30 and see how your channel thrives. So moving on, setting your foundation. Before posting anything, you need clarity. Choose one clear audience. Ask yourself, who is my content for? What problem do they have? Why should my audience subscribe? Or why should those people viewing me, why should they subscribe? These are the questions that you need to ask yourself. If YouTube can't understand your channel, it will not recommend your video. Like your video will not be recommended. So pick one main topic. Like my previous video, I spoke about how to hit 4,000 subscribers, and I also spoke about this topic, And according to what I said over there, I said if you are posting everything, like everything about your life, you post about health, you post about food, you post about vlogs, you post about YouTube growth, you post about everything, like it will confuse the YouTube algorithm, and they will not be able to know the right audience to send your videos to. So this is why I am saying here now that you should choose one topic to give to your audience. So stop posting everything. One channel, one direction. Like I said earlier, clarity bring growth to your channel. And then moving on, discover content. Like discovery of content. Now it's not time to bring new people to your channel. This is why most small YouTubers fail. Yes. They only post content for themselves. So now, ask yourself, what do I post? Post discovery videos, for instance, why your YouTube channel is not growing. That is example number 1. Example number 2, how small YouTubers can get more views. Mistake bigger YouTubers make. So all these instances that I've given to you are actually the kind of content that people are looking for on this platform. So just if you start making videos that people are actually asking for, they will click it. Whenever your video pops up, they will click it because they want to know. They want to get answers to their question. And before you see, your channel is growing. So your goal is simple. Get click and get watched. And other point is building authority, building trust. Because when people discover your content, they would want to also build that trust with you. So this is where the building trust and building authority comes in. Once people discover you, they ask one question: can I trust this person? This is why authority content comes in. Authority video include your strategy, your process, what you've learned. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be perfect. I also spoke about not being perfect in my previous video. So if you've not watched, just go and watch it, okay? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be one step ahead of your audience. You don't need to be perfect. You just need one step ahead of your audience. When people trust you, they subscribe, which brings me to please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to this channel, okay? And hit the notification bell, okay? So that we'll grow together. Let's grow together. So moving on, short for momentum, which is daily short, free traffic. Shorts are faster way for small YouTubers to grow on this platform. I also said it in my previous video. Post one short every day. Strong hook in 1 to 2 seconds. One clear lesson and direct it back to your long video. What this is saying that you create 1 to 2 minute video and then you post it like in your short, YouTube short, then you create it and relate it, like link it to your YouTube long video, the long video you've created. Just link it from the short that you are coming to post. Link the long video to the short so that when people watch your short, they will surely click that video, that long video that you've related it to. So that is another point. I am giving to you. So follow this my strategy and you will grow. You're going to skyrocket. So now consistency, which bring me consistent without burnout. Consistency is not posting every day. Consistency is posting what you can maintain. One quality video per week is better than creating video every day that will make you burn out, that will make you want to quit. Your channel grow when you stay long enough. Then the next point, think long term. What do I mean by think long term? Here is the truth most people won't tell you. They won't tell you. But I'm coming to tell you. I'm coming to tell you. And which is a thinking long term. Okay. The truth is YouTube growth is slow at the beginning. Like you get discouraged. If you don't have the mind, the heart, you get discouraged. But trust me, don't quit because it's worth it. Okay. But once momentum starts, it compounds. Small channel become big channel by improving every video, learn from data, and not quit. You don't need 1,000 subscribers to start. You just need a plan, a patience, and consistency. That is all you need. Subscribe to this channel for more growth strategy. And you will not, if you follow this strategy I have shown or I have given to you here, you can't thanking me later. You will thank me later. Just follow the strategy that I have given to you and you will not regret it. If this video have been of a great impact to you, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that anytime I post new videos, you will be the first to get notified. And comment below what your biggest struggle on YouTube is right now. Like, what are you struggling with on YouTube right now? So, catch you guys in our next video. Bye.